to explore the meadow where the grass is seen. He strolls along through the flowers tall, stops to listen to the birds that call. Tiny Tim finds a ladybug so red, crawling on a leaf right above his head. They chat and laugh in the sunny breeze and make a promise to play among the trees. He then meets a squirrel with a bushy tail, collecting nuts to store in his hidden pail. "Come and play," says the squirrel with cheer. Tiny Tim smiles and says, "I'll stay right here." The day grows long and the sun sets low. Tiny Tim knows it's time to go back to his home near the quiet stream, where he drifts to sleep with a gentle dream.